Welcome back, future doctors. Today we are diving in some challenging NMDcat MCQs to sharpen your knowledge. Let's get started. So the first MCQs is trachea and tracheoles are the A. Respiratory organ of cockroach, B. Respiratory organ of earthworm, C. Respiratory organ of ascaris, and D. Respiratory organ of nares. So the correct option is A. The next MCQ is the mode of nutrition in amoeba is A. Heterotrophic, B. Heterotrophic, C. Saprophytic, and D. Parasitic. So the correct option is A. Heterotrophic. The next MCQ is the third is, so the correct option is C. The next MCQ is parotid glands are found in A. Frogs and toads, B. Toads only, C. Frogs only, and D. Fish. So the correct option is A. Frogs and toads. The next MCQ is chemically enzymes are A. Carbohydrates, B. Proteins, C. Fats, and D. Amino acids. So the correct option is B. Proteins. The next MCQ is if food intake is greater use, the surplus is deposited as A. Fats, B. Protein, C. Carbohydrates, and D. Enzymes. So the correct option is A. Fats. The next MCQ is more energy is produced from 1 gram mole of A. Fats, B. Sugar, C. Proteins, and D. Vitamins. So the correct option is A. Fats. The next MCQ is scurvy is a disease caused by A. Presence of Rh antigen in blood, B. Deficiency of vitamin E, C. Deficiency of vitamin C or ascorbic acid, and D. Deficiency of vitamin D. So the correct option is C. Deficiency of vitamin C or ascorbic acid. The next MCQ is vitamins are A. Organic substance and cannot be synthesized by animals. B. Inorganic substance and can be synthesized by animals. C. Organic substance which can mostly be synthesized by animal, and D. Inorganic substance which when converted into organic by simple animals only. So the correct option is A. Organic substance and cannot be synthesized by animals. Next MCQ is deficiency of vitamin A causes A. Beriberi, C. Retarded growth and development, C. Rickets, and D. Night blindness. So the correct option is D. Night blindness. The next MCQ is function of vitamin K is in A. Regulating of phosphorus and calcium metabolism, B. Blood clotting, C. Carbohydrate metabolism, and D. Respiration. So the correct option is B. Blood clotting. The next MCQ is the most common concentrated source of protein in Pakistan is A. Potatoes, B. Meat, C. Eggs, and D. Pulses. So the correct option is D. Pulses. The next MCQ is starch is A. Carbohydrate, B. Protein, C. Enzyme, and D. Fat. So the correct option is A. Carbohydrates. The next MCQ is sucrose is found in A. Milk, B. Honey, C. Sugarcane, and D. Orange. So the correct option is C. Sugarcane. The next MCQ is which one of these carbohydrates is a monosaccharide? A. Cellulose, B. Sucrose, C. Starch, and D. Glucose. So the correct option is D. Glucose. The next MCQ is vitamin D is also called A. Calciferol, B. Ascorbic acid, C. Retinol, and D. Folic acid. So the correct option is A. Calciferol. The next MCQ is micronutrients A are less important in nutrition than macronutrients. B are as important in nutrition as macronutrients. C may be emitted from culture media without any detriment effect on the plants. And D are called micro because they play only a minor role in plants' nutrition. So the correct option is B. Thanks for joining me. I hope these NMDcat MCQs help you sharpen your knowledge. Keep studying and stay tuned for more practice questions. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.